Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to use a GoPro Hero 6 with the 3DR and how to get a live view with it. So there's issues with when you just straight plug it in, so 3DR is on, controller's on, app's all hooked up. So when you turn on the GoPro and then plug the HDMI into it, for a second it'll act like it's loading and you get your GoPro symbol. It's a little fuzzy, but you get the gist. And then it won't load. And you just get a black screen. Right now it's just showing me my previous film stuff, which is interesting. I've never seen that before. Anyways, so I'm going to show you how to make it work. So, go ahead and turn that off. Come on, turn off. Okay. So what you want to do, start your GoPro up after everything's on. Your drone, your remote, and the app. Alright, it's on. Then you want to record with whatever settings you want. Hit record. You'll start recording. Then you want to plug in your HDMI. Then when you open up your solo app, you get a live view, as you can see there. So anyways, and I've even noticed when you unplug the HDMI, it'll turn off, and then when you plug it back in, it still works. And then when you turn off, or turn the recording off, it still is on there. Yeah, I hope this helps. This probably works with a lot of other action cameras, so I hope I helped, and fly safe. If you look into the description, I will show you a video of the GoPro Hero 6 4K 30 frames per second with the image stabilization on. So have a good one. Thank you.